Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. You are go to the destination for all the things fabulous in the world of crochet designs. In today's video, we were about to unleash a wave of creativity with some jaw-dropping crochet designs that will leave you absolutely spellbound. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? So, let's begin the journey. As you all guys knows, our all videos and content are totally depends on crochet. In today's video, we are going to explore our new crochet design, and our new crochet design is crochet finger ring design ideas 2024. You can see the beauty and simplicity of these beautiful crochet finger ring ideas. These crochet rings will definitely help women to improve their personality on hand. Women can use these crochet finger designs on different events such as ceremonies, parties, or in on and another events. These crochet finger ring designs will looking very beautiful on your hand. If you want to see another crochet designs with different and amazing color of combination, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet designs with different and amazing color of combination. I hope you all guys will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you stay updated on latest trends, tips and tricks. Turn on your notification and join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you and your family. Thanks for watching the amazing video.